Nakaw na siya. Start na ako. Tingnan, i-run mo nga. Tingnan natin. Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we have here this FROSTO 600 automat. So this is a batch freezer, and this is the power rating 21 kilowatt, voltage 400 volt, 3 phase, frequency 50 Hz, air pressure 6 bar, air consumption gas 404. Okay, so there is a problem with this unit. It's giving an error of ground fault from the BFD. So the DAZZER is having an alarm, DAZZER alarm. Then we check. I found the problem is from the BFD. It's giving a ground fault, and I checked the BFD, and I found that the problem is not from the BFD. I mean, it's not from the motor, because this is controlling the motor. I checked the motor if there is any short to ground. It's not. And also I checked the resistance of the motor, W1, W2, 2.7. So its motor reading is so 2.0, B1 and B2. And U1 and U2 it's also 2.0. Okay, and there is no short to ground. Okay, so now I check the BFD, comparing to the other unit, ground to the terminal T1 and T2, T3. So ground to T1, there is no contact. Ground to T2, there is no contact. Body ground to T3, there is contact. So basically, as per the other reading, this T1, T2, T3, there is a contact with the earth or with the ground. So we found that okay, we're going to check the DFD. This one has a contact 2.6 ohms, 8.7 mega ohms, 8.7 mega ohms. So both three, there are contact. Okay, now we check the other one there, which is giving an error. Okay, so we checked here. This is giving an error. The T5, which is this one, ground error. It is connected to the DAZZER motor. After we fix the BFD drive, the system now is running.
You're not coming here, sir. Yeah.
Okay, done. Now it's working.